Why osteoporosis happen? Modern medical science doesn't know. How they can find out the medicine? If you take a piece of stone, and take another piece of stone and you start to rub it, what's going to happen? Dust. No, fire. You are right, fire too. Fire. If you hit two stone like this way, it's going to crack and crack and crack and crack and crack and touch some dust. So every time you step, or you jump, or you run, or you fall, bone like this, and there is a cartilage in between, and it go like this, 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 like this. Depend which part of the body is called different name. Same subject. To me it is piece of cake. So simple. If two step down is called different name. You know what I mean? According to the location, same problem, 12 same problem. Bone doesn't work, it becomes skinny because they're hitting each other, hitting each other, hitting each other. Then between two bone, cartilage and vertebrae has cartilage in between. That's called suspension system. So the vertebrae, to keep the density, God or nature created cartilage. Cartilage like a tire rubber. You know tire? Truck tire? I said yesterday. With rubber we make balloon also, truck tire also. Truck tire harder than stone. But when two vertebrae hit from the top and bottom, and slowly the cartilage comes out. That is a chronic disease. You go to doctor, they cut it out. And they come to me, I stretch open and push it back to the normal, what used to be 10 years ago. And the size of the cartilage, the way it used to be 50 years ago. And I proved it in my research. This body, 90 years old body, 95% gone. After 1 year yoga, this body looked like 18 years old girl. So simple. To me, it's a piece of cake.